Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Log In. Today I'm with another brand new video to show you guys how you can log in into your standard bank account. So guys, to log into your account, first of all go on to any web browser that you're using like I already did, Google, and then go on to the search bar and just type for standard bank login and hit enter. After doing so, it will take you to another result. Here you can see is the first result that pops up. Click on the first link. Now after doing so, it will take you to the official website of Standard Bank. In the official website of Standard Bank, and you can see there is this option for sign in on the right side of your screen. Just click on sign in. And here, after clicking on sign in, you will be taken into a new screen where you need to input your username in order to sign in. Now, input your correct username and click on sign in. After doing so, it will take you to a different interface again where you need to input your password as well. And after inputting your username and password, then you will be logged in into your Standard Bank account. So guys, this was for this video. I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for reviews and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.